When's the last time you moved fast? Not jogged, but actually moved fast. Most people stop training this and then wonder why they feel old. At some point you stop moving like a human is supposed to. We're supposed to accelerate, change direction, create force, absorb force. But you've been exercising, you've only been working out. Maybe life got busy. Maybe you got hurt. Maybe you thought those days were behind you. But your body still expects these qualities to exist. And if you're honest, part of you wants this. But part of you is also scared. Scared of getting hurt, scared of finding out you can't do what you used to. The injury risk isn't from the training. The injury risk is from the deconditioning. Let me show you. Let's get in those progressions. Remember when you could react without thinking? You could jump, you could sprint, catch yourself, take off after your kid. That's fast twitch fibers. And after 40, it disappears faster than almost anything else in your body. Walking's not gonna get you there. A lot of gym work's not gonna get you there. Strength training's not always gonna get you there because a lot of it's too slow. The nice thing is, training fast twitch fibers typically adapts quickly. So get in there and you start doing it, you get those returns pretty quickly. Now, explosive movement does send a completely different signal than steady state exercise. It tells your body to rebuild, repair, adapt. There's a lot of people out there exposing themselves to low and slow cardio, and that stimulus is never going to get you the same response. We need that short burst, long recovery. That adaptation is what's gonna end up changing everything for you. Now, it's not just the power. Every hard ground contact sends a message through your skeleton. Stay strong, stay dense, stay resilient. Walking does help, especially for an older population. Running is better. And then accelerations create that highest force input that we can get. And this is exactly how humans kept their bones strong long before supplements. Okay, so now when people say they feel old, this is usually what they're talking about. They're slower to react, less coordinated, less confident. That's not just aging, it's a nervous system that stopped practicing good signal, good speed. Acceleration sharpens it again. And I've said it before, one of the first things that people lose is that explosiveness, that spring, that bounce, that elasticity. That's what's gonna keep you stronger, keep your tendons strong, where strength training builds muscle, some tendon. This really challenges your tendons to remain strong, which is why you tend to see people that move athletically stay resilient longer. All right, that's 5 systems, all start declining when you stop accelerating. So where do we start? This is where we make our money. First up is our wall drills. We learn how to produce force, we learn the position you want to be in, and we learn how to push and drive that opposite knee. Then we teach the first step, 2 to 3 explosive contacts, that's it. And then we get to the destination, we focus on our accelerations, our just build outs, and then our full sprints. The build outs, just 10 yards, keep it easy, about 80% effort. And then when you feel comfortable there, you build out into that 15 to 20 yards max, full effort, full recovery. All right, now when it comes to programming, get your ego out the door. We're gonna start at about 70% effort. You can do this twice a week. We don't need more than that. One day can be your linear accelerations. Second day can be more of your change of direction and jumping work. Every single week, we increase percentage. So 70, 80, 90, 100. We do not do more than that. We start with smaller distances, work on that first step, and we build that distance out over the course of the weeks as well. All right, as you probably saw from some of my demos, you don't have to be super athletic. You don't have to be super fast. Your body doesn't know what fast is. It knows the effort. So put the effort in, take the time, rebuild your body, and never settle with yesterday.